You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Can you hear me? You are all welcome.
Welcome, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, guys. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let us wait for others to join us so that we can go ahead with today's training. All right. All right. You are all highly welcome. You are all highly welcome. So we still wait for others to join so that we can have a bigger house. So we have about seven of us here. So we wait for more to join us. I just dropped the notification on the group, so I'm expecting more to join. You are all welcome. Is my voice clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Happy new month, everyone. Happy new month to you all. I welcome you guys to the month of September. I wanted to have had this training with you guys like a couple of days ago, but I just said no. Let me use this training to welcome you guys into uh, September so that we can start September with some good news and some jollification. You understand? So I welcome you guys honestly to this training and I welcome you guys to this new month. Okay. Okay. So let's wait for we just 5 minutes into 8 o'clock. That is 3 minutes from now. I will share my screen so that we can start the live session. We'll start the live session. All right. So those of you, can everybody hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, great. Please, for those of you that attended our previous trainings, please let me know. Let me know if there is anything you do not understand so I can address it quickly. Do you have any question? Is there anything you want me to help you to explain better so you would understand it much? Anything? Is there anything you guys want me to explain concerning our previous classes? Because we just have 1 more minute to go, and that is it. I will go into this particular training. All right, I can see that. Is my voice clear?
Yes, it's clear, sir.
Okay, okay,
Nothing really. We really appreciate about the updates and more knowledge. For me, it has been working well, though. I really appreciate it because even the last coin that they listed on Mexi sef, I had about 100%. But normally I always target like 70% gain amount. 70% amount. And it has been working.
That is good.
Except except for the few ones that just pumped insane. Even there was this recent one that really dumped and it later pumped. That particular coin I had 100% plus
You
so
see,
before it pumped.
to be honest with you, through the entire coin, you see, for the whole of August, all the coins that they listed in the whole of August, if you had taken each of those trades, you would have made at least with, even if you're using forex, you would have made a minimum of 100% by each trade. Because
I mean,
I monitor them, and you guys are going to see some of my results in this particular, so you will understand how powerful this thing is. You understand? The truth is,
yeah.
it doesn't matter how many trainings I give. It doesn't matter if you don't develop that self confidence to implement trainings, to implement new things you have learned. You will just be more of like compiling knowledge upon knowledge, and at the end, you won't be able to work with them. You understand? The
Exactly.
result lies in practice. The result lies in practice. The more you practice it, the more you make money from it. And before you will see me, I will call my group or my community and I'm saying, okay, do this. It's because me, I have test run it and I've seen that it works. Do you understand? So I'm very happy that Mr. Steven, you are able
It's really working.
you are
It's
able to
really working.
replicate. And for all those, many people have been. There
Yeah.
was one guy that sent me a screenshot of one trade he took. That trade gave him around, although it was a system glitch because I showed him how to fix, but that trade, he entered that trade, he did over 150%. But the system
Mhm.
was showing him over 22 million percent.
Ah. It's
But
not
it's just to
complete.
show you guys that you see this stuff works. You understand?
Yeah.
If you have
Uh,
known me, I don't teach half big things. I don't come
it's,
here
it's,
to
it's really
create
working.
noise.
It's really like it's working. It's not like normal market. Like it's really working. Once any kind they are just doing 10% drop. In fact, if they raise fund 50 million funds fundraise, it will still dump on listing.
That is the
It
truth.
will still dump.
So
No
the
how.
only thing I want you guys to do is this. For those of you that are here, I want you guys, because this the new trend and this training now, just cool your mind, because what we are going to learn now is going to help you guys to be making money on steroid. You understand? Trading. But one thing I want you guys to know
Okay.
is this. One thing I want you guys to know is this, okay? And that is the fact that, you see, if you set your goals very well, do you understand? You
Yeah.
will not lose money. If you follow the stipulated strategies I gave to you guys, now take for example, imagine that each listing that took place, you target 30% using forex. You divide your account to maybe into 10 places, and you use one portion of your account and you target 30 to 50%, there is no single trade that will not hit your take profit. And with the fact that Mexi lists almost in a month, last month alone, Mexi listed more than 17 coins on their futures. More than 17 coins on their futures. Now, why am I saying this? Imagine if, let me share my screen because we are starting now. Imagine if you are using, you are making, let's say you target 30% per each of these trades. Let's say, okay, fine. All you want to do is to target 30%, which is which is like nothing using this strategy. So you are targeting 30%. If you target 30%, and you multiply, let's okay, you didn't take all the trade out of 17 because it was more than 17 coins they listed on their futures. But let's just say 17. And let's say out of this 17, you were able to take just maybe let's say 8 trades. You took 8 out of the 17. All right. That would have given you over 240% of your account. This may not look much, but one thing I'm telling you is this. If what you are trading with is $100, what that means is that you would have made 240% on that $100. And what that would have given you is an additional $240. Do you understand it? It would have given you an additional $240. That is like if you took 8 trades. Now imagine if you took the 17 trades. Do you understand? Now this is for 30%, which every coin do it. Even 100% on forex. I'm talking about using forex. So 100% on forex. All the coins, I monitor majority of them. They do minimum. Minimum they will give you if you are using forex and you are not being too greedy. You will get at least 80 to 100% before the initial dump, before it will now dump more. Sometimes I will be in a trade, I will even forget that I'm in a trade, only for me to come back and I'll see maybe 500%. Sometimes I will be in a trade, I will forget, sleep, wake up the next day, I'll come, I'll see 200%, 100%, and I will take my profits. Little account, you can grow it. If it is $20 you have, you can grow your $20. Divide your $20 into 10 and trade with $2 each trade, and you will be surprised how much you will be making. So imagine if you even if you are making $240 in a month, convert that in naira. If anywhere they pay you $240 in Nigeria, you are considered as one of the highest paid people in this country. And that is something you could easily earn by just leveraging on what you have already. Now let's go to the next one again. Now imagine if you have taken, if what you are, okay, let's say you are using forex and your target is 100% per each trade, and you took 8, that would have given you 800% on your account. If it is $50, you have made $400. If it is $100 you are using to trade, you would have made $800. The upside of this is very massive. All right, but you see, all of these things are just going to be tentative. Sorry, forgive my Igbo tongue. It's going to be more of like on a paper until you decide to put it into practice. Do you understand? Nobody is going to do it for you. You must develop that self-confidence. As I told you, many of us have been sending me their screenshots, their trade. Some will even ask me, boss, look at this coin. Do you want me to, should I trade it? And I'll give them my honest opinion. Many are making money with this. And you that you are here, I believe is yet another opportunity for you to learn another strong thing, another life-changing strategy that if implemented well will give you. I'm not, what I'm trying to let you know here now, what I'm trying to teach you is not for you to go and make 500% in a day. Don't be greedy. You can actually create a spreadsheet for yourself, a trading spreadsheet for yourself. And what is that spreadsheet? You can call it Mexi Futures Trading Spreadsheet. Maybe, okay, I want to start with $200 worth of capital. And with my $200 worth of capital, I want to grow it. Every particular trade I take, I want to make at least 20%, 20%, 20%, and you run it for 6 months, you will be surprised the kind of results that you will be having. You will be shocked. You will be shocked. Do you understand? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So all I'm just, you see, as I told you guys, all I'm just going to do is to teach you guys what I know and not hide anything from you guys. The decisions either to implement it lies with you. Oh, what is this now? Hello, can you guys hear me? Yeah, hello, can you guys hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. We can hear you now.
All right, I'm so sorry. My network got disconnected, so I just try to reconnect as fast as possible. So back to what I was saying, it just everything lies with you guys taking the initiative and the decision to actually practice what I'm going to be teaching you. So with that being said, so today we are going to be looking at another way of trading. We are going to be looking at another way of trading, and I'll just be showing you guys some really cool way of trading. Now, you see, the first one I taught you guys, all right, is how to take advantage of newly listed token. And now, you see, it's not every time that new tokens are listed. Sometimes there are some days we wait, sometimes we can even wait for 2 days, although Mexi lists always, all right. And I'm still trying to find a way to get early information on Bitmart and BitGet listing so that I can be getting it the way I get that of what's it called Mexi, because I discovered that they also list on Mexi, but most of the times I don't get it on time. So because of that, I only get to know about the listing after it have taken place. I hope you guys can hear me.
Yes, boss.
Yes, sir.
So as I said, what I'm going to be teaching us today is going to be different from that of yesterday, but it's going to be, I mean, I say yesterday, it's going to be different from that of what we have previously done before. So I'm going to be, yes, I have not shared my screen. I know I have not shared my screen. I will share it soon. Just exercise patient, okay? I'm everything because there's a lot that we are going to be discussing today. And yeah, okay. Let me share my screen. All right, so what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you guys how to use AI also to trade, but this time it's not just going to be newly listed token. It's going to be you doing advanced research and then finding tokens that you can trade that will give you good returns, all right, on a daily trade. So this is now you using AI as a guide and as a tool to help you into doing technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and even chart patterns, breakouts, everything just for you to get the right coins that you can go in, trade, and just make your money. So, our first training was just on what newly listed token. But this particular one now is not just on newly listed token, is on all tokens. Is that clear?
Yes, boss. Sure.
All right, so you get unlimited opportunities to trade. So you don't just have to wait for newly listed. Although I prefer newly listed tokens, that is to be honest with you, because that one is like the win rate is off the chart. But even this I'm going to be teaching you guys, if you practice it, if you put it into use, is going to also give you a lot of profit. Okay, so let's get into this and let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So let me share my screen. All right, so now you see what we're going to, as I said, I don't want us to, delay or go back and forth, because I believe many of you here, you have participated in our first training on how to trade the newly listed token. So if you have watched that training or you are conversant with that training, this particular one should not be difficult for you. All right. So what we're going to be doing today is that we're going to be working hand in hand with AI to help us. Now, I'm going to be giving you guys the exact prompt you can use, and I'm also going to teach you how to edit those prompts to fit your specific trading strategy. Do you understand? There are many of us here who like to trade breakout strategy. There are many of us that who like to trade DCA trust strategy. There are many of us who like to do uh, full technical analysis. There is different. There is ICT, SMC. There is so many different strategies that people trade. You understand? So this one, whatever your trading strategy is that you want to implement into crypto trading, this particular prompt is going to help you to achieve that. Do you understand? So it's like a template that you can use and configure to what you want based on your preferred trading strategy. Is that clear, guys? Now,
Yes, boss.
all right, now if you come here, you can see that I've added several more. Uh, Let me just name it AI bots. I've added more these things here, but now I want to also say this to you guys. It's when it comes to doing research like newly listing token, I have come to realize that you see, Kimi, this particular coin, this particular AI, Kimi, it outshine all of them. The best of the best when it comes to doing in-depth research concerning any new token that want to list. This is the particular AI I use, Kimi AI. If I use ChatGPT and I use Kimi, because I have come to realize that there are certain times that I will give ChatGPT some token to make do
We're not
research
seeing your
for them.
screen. Oh.
You are not seeing my screen.
Yes, sir. Nothing is showing on your screen.
You are
But we
saying
can see
that,
it. I think it's from your side.
please, I think
Your
it's
screen is showing on my end, though. It might be network on that person's end.
all right. So please, the person that is not seeing my screen, please, you can just
I can see
log.
your screen.
All
The
right, you
screen
can.
is showing.
No problem. For the person that is not seeing the screen, you can log out and then log back in. All right, the training is open, so you can log back in. And I think you should start seeing my screen. And also, yes, let me say this. Also, I have a special gift for those of you that are in this training. So please, as long as you're in this training, stay to the end of the training so that you can qualify for what I'm about to convey to you guys. Okay. So now let's go. Let's go. All right. So now, as I said, if you have been doing research, if you have been using the newly listed token research strategy I taught you guys, you will discover that Kimi do more in-depth research than ChatGPT. There are some tokens like I will be there is a token that is about to list. Let me see if the thing is still here. There's a token that is about to list, and that token is Quack AI. This particular token here, now you can see I have done my research on this token. Now I did the same research. All right, I did the same research with ChatGPT, but ChatGPT gave me some information, but not all the information that I need. Not the most important. Like, take for example, this is my research with what's it called, with ChatGPT. All right. Now you can see ChatGPT gave me information, but when it comes to the airdrop, it was not certain the particular amount of airdrop that they are giving out. Do you understand? So it was not clear. Now imagine if I wanted to trade this, you understand? Because I'm already making this right because I want to trade it tomorrow as a list. You can see that this one that is they are not showing me the particular this thing. But when I went to uh when I went to Kimi, you can see Kimi gave me the exact thing that I'm looking for. You can see airdrop allocation 12% of the total supply. Do you understand? So from my personal experience, I've come to realize that when I am using Kimi to do my research, Kimi do more in-depth research compared to ChatGPT and other AIs, all right, out there. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now, concerning this new strategy we are going to be using, now you see, in fact, let me just put it, my number one, my top best AI to use for anything crypto related research is Kimi. Is Kimi. That is the number one I use. All right. So I added, this is Kimi, this is DeepSeek, this is ChatGPT, this is Z.ai, and this is Quen AI. So this is Quen AI. This Quen 3 is a powerful AI developed by Alibaba. So if you know, Alibaba is a very big company in China. So their AIs are good, but I prefer Kimi. In fact, there is something in Kimi that you can do. You can even have conversation with Kimi. You can call this AI, and you and the AI can be talking. I do it a lot, so I do it.
Oh, okay, okay. I saw something on Twitter. Someone was actually using one AI
So
to
I
forecast sports betting. I think he's Kimi. Because
so I
the
used
person was
to,
interacting with the
sometimes if I'm tired or if I'm bored, I will just ask the this thing. All right. So let's get into this training. Let
You
us
can
start.
also do it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT does it.
You ChatGPT, you can have voice conversation, not call. not call. This one is call. There is voice prompt. This is just the one ChatGPT have is this voice prompt. If I press here now, whatever I'm saying, it will record it and search it. But this one is like normal call. Okay, let me show you. If I click here and I place a call, watch. All right, it will pick.
Hey, what's up?
Hi Kimmy, how are you doing?
I'm good. Thanks. Just trying to keep up with the busy life. How
Mm,
about you?
well, I'm okay. Just trying to have a conversation with my
You
community.
sound a bit down. What's going on?
All right, don't worry. Let's end it. All right, so you can see you can have conversation with it. Is pretty much is very advanced, but for me, it's not. This is what I do. Like whenever I'm a little bit bored and I just want to have some fun, so I start calling AI. All right, today we are going to be learning on how to trade. All right, how to trade other coins. Now, let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. Now, it's just like, how many of you remember when I started trading that particular account? I showed you guys my Mexi account, is it not?
Yes, you did.
How many of you can remember how much I started trading with on that Mexi account?
1 point something dollar or so. Not up to $2. 1 point something dollar.
Okay. How many of you can guess how much now the coin, how much now I have in my account?
I don't think anybody can guess. But obviously, it's not the same
Yeah, around 100.
1 point something dollar.
All
I
right.
think around 100 with density.
All right, let's just go into this. Okay, so currently I am in a trade, and here I have $183 left. That
Wow.
I am in a trade of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is just the thing that is just holding me. You understand? So, and you can see my margin on this Bitcoin trade is around what? Around 22 point something dollars. So if you add it with this, everything was around, as of before I entered this trade, it was around $211. And I keep telling you guys this thing. It works. See, I don't, it's only on Bitcoin that I did 10x. So, and this 10x was by mistake. I actually started with 4x. So I started with 4x, and when Bitcoin began to crash, I was like, let me take this opportunity. Let me show you. Okay, I didn't trade this one. I was like, let me take the Bitcoin, let me take the opportunity, let me take this opportunity on Bitcoin. So I quickly entered trade. I didn't know because I finished viewing a coin that I wanted to trade. So when I saw Bitcoin dropping, I didn't know that you can see, I didn't know that it was on 10x. So as I just saw it, that Bitcoin was crashing that time, it was around 13,000, 113,000. It was around 113,000. So as I saw it, I quickly jumped into the trade, and immediately I jumped into the trade, what happened? The and I discovered that it was already on 10x. My first trade I started was with 4x. So when I now jumped into that trade, it took a lot of more fun and entered a 10x for me, which I've been holding. You can imagine my liquidation price for this particular coin is over, when will Bitcoin get to $6,000? Do you understand? So I will hold this coin until maybe if this coin give me like, for Bitcoin, this coin is actually tying my funds down. So if Bitcoin give me like $6 or $10 profit from here, I am okay. I will exit this. And another thing that made me to like this is that even though that I'm currently on this Bitcoin trade, I can still take more trade using, like for example, this Quack AI now that will be launching tomorrow. And I have done my thesis on it and my analysis on it, and I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to trade it. What I'm going to do now, once I that tomorrow gets I get ready, I'll switch my account to isolated. All right, I'll switch my account to isolated. If I don't want to switch my account now, the reason it can't switch to isolated because I am already in a trade and it is on this what's it called? It is on BTC. So if I switch to another coin, for example, let me use this one for example. If I'm to trade this particular coin now and I go to isolated, it will go to isolated. So I can use isolated. I can just take maybe $15 from this, enter trade with this $15, and then I'll move back to my main trade, and this trade will be running for me. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Why Bitcoin is currently tying down my money, I can still use this money here to be engaging in other trades as they list, and that is how I've been able to grow my account. Because this Bitcoin trade, I've been holding it for like almost going to 10 days. If you remember that Bitcoin signal I gave us that time, that is the signal that is still holding this, that is tying this money down. But what I did is, as it is there, because I know not in the next 10 years will Bitcoin go down to $6,000. So that one no dey move me. You understand? So what I do, if any coin that is about to list, I'm telling you guys this in case if you find yourself in the same kind of scenario, that should not prevent you from still trading. Do you get it? So once there is a new coin that is launching now, as this Quack AI now that will be launching that I'm going to trade, I'll just come, I'll take maybe like $15 or $10 from there, enter trade, and that is it. I will use isolated margin so that it will not affect the BTC own trade. And that is the way I will do it until I keep growing my account until I recover my floating loss here. Okay, so now what do I want to teach us? So what I want to teach us today is how to take massive. Now look at, just let's take a look at this coin. You see, everything I teach you guys is a strategy I give you guys. To be honest with you, if you implement them, you will make money. Even this coin, share this coin got listed today worldwide. It listed on Binance, it listed on all major exchanges. Do you understand? This is World Liberty Finance, listed worldwide. When I wanted to trade this coin, but I was already late. To be honest with you, God bearing me witness, I was already late. When I came back here, when I came to trade this coin, I discovered that they had already listed about 4 hours to when my attention was drawn to it. I have been following this coin. Oh, I've been following it. In fact, I wanted to do this thing that makes it this. There was one program they did here for new users, but I didn't qualify for it because I'm not a new user. So when I came to trade this coin, I met it at 4 hours after it had listed. So I was so like it was around this point. I think yeah, here around this point I saw it. It was around $0.3 that time, go entering 0.29. I looked at it, I said no. I looked at the here, it have gotten to $1. And I remember that this coin had been trading on futures for a very long time. And I went on futures and I saw that even the $1 that he pushed from this on the listing day that he got to $1, it did not really affect the movement on the future. So I decided that I knew that it was going to drop lower, but I just said let me leave it. I just said let me leave it. I could have cut, it was around this $3, 0.3 something. I could have cut all this movement downward. And even if I'm using 3x from here to here, I would have made more than 60% of my capital. All right. So whenever you see a coin that is launching and they are doing airdrop, and no matter even if they're doing airdrop and they're releasing a significant amount of airdrop, that coin is going to definitely face what's on call. It's going to definitely face selling pressure. And once that selling pressure comes in, the coin will dump. Now, for the training today, all right, please, once our time is elapsing, I'm going to drop another link on both groups. Any of the group that you're connected to, I'm going to drop another link on that group, and I'm also going to drop another link. In fact, I will drop another link on the comment section uh of the live session here now. So now what we are going to be doing is to find trade opportunities that we are going to trade. All right, so let me show you guys what I mean. If we go back to this point, if we go back to this point, uh okay, I think it's here. Let me get this. Okay, so this is the prompt we are going to use. We are going to use this prompt. Are you guys seeing me? Are you guys seeing my screen?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
we can.
All right, so let's say, for example, I want to trade. Let's say I want to take a trade and I don't know any coin to trade. So what I will do, I'll come here. Having copied that, I'll come to this point and I'll paste it. All right, so I've pasted it now. It's a very long this thing. So now look at, let me break this down. So the first thing here is that there is a query to this particular AI. So, and what is the query? I'm telling the AI that the AI should act as a pro crypto trading scanner using, now this place where I put using, all right, you can put whatever. Remember I told you guys earlier, I said you can tweak this based on any of your chosen what strategy. All right, so once this first line is established, from here, from this smart money concept all the way to this 3.0, you can change it. You can put it, if you want it to be only for it to do technical analysis based on this, if you want it to do ICT for you, if you want it to do fair value gap, if you want it to do uh, POI, uh, 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 all these strategies that are out there. You understand? Now, the reason I'm using this because there is always liquidity sweep in crypto. Whenever Bitcoin is going down, Bitcoin is going down to take a liquidity out. Do you understand? So liquidity sweep always happens in crypto. All right. So that's why I included this here. So once you put this, so depending, you can change it to whatever you want. Then you can go ahead and click on go. So now what it's going to do is it's going to go through Mercy. It will scan through the entire Mercy's platform. It is going to find coins that are bullish. It's going to find coins that are bearish, and it will list those coins out for me. All right. So it will list out those coins and will tell me to trade it. Sorry, my phone just got, let me reconnect it. Are you guys seeing my screen?
Yes.
All right, so you can see it's still doing its thing, so it is done. Now what, if you look here, you can see here, you can see now, based on, I told you to look for at least 12 valid both short and sell. Now, after, because the query I gave it is very strict, so after everything it have done, it it returned to me, said it's find only three valid short setup that I can trade, and those three valid short setup is on Boom USDT, with USDT, and 1000 Pepe USDT. Why is found five long setup? Are you guys with me? So on this long setup, it found area, it found width, it found boom. All right, it found. Now, another thing is going to tell us now is, if you scroll down here, it said it will tell you that you should upload 4 hour screenshot and 1 hour screenshot. Are you getting it? So it will tell you to upload 4 hour screenshots. And
Hello, your screen is not showing.
is my screen not
It
showing?
is showing now.
Showing,
It's
the screen
showing.
is showing.
Hello, sir. Your screen is not showing.
Sorry, the call is going to end in 15 minutes.
Yes.
It's showing, but the call is going to end in
Your
15
screen is
minutes.
showing. Everything is okay.
Are you guys hearing me well?
Loud and
Yes.
clear.
Not now. Go and play.
Yes,
Are you
Loud
hearing
and
me
clear.
now, guys?
I
Yes,
can hear
yes,
you,
sir.
but the
I
screen.
yes,
can
yes.
hear you.
If you can't see my screen,
Yes.
leave the training and join back. You will see it. It's network. All right. So let's
Sorry,
continue.
sorry. The I think the call will end in 14 minutes.
Yes, yes, yes. So let me quickly drop another. Let me quickly get the new link. All right. So let me get the new link, and I will get back to you. I will just drop it so that I will pin it to the group so that you guys can have it in case we just run out, so that we can look at this. And all right, just give me a minute. Sorry, guys. All right, so all right, let's get to it. Please mute your mic. All right, now, as I was saying, if you watch now, if we go back here, you can see that it have identified some coins for me. All right, so it identified uh pepper, weave, boom, and it identified pixel, and identified this area. Now, for example, if you watch here, you can see it giving me uh boom and for long, and also giving me boom for short. So in this case, what you will do is, and it also gave me pepper here, 1000 pepper for long, and also, so it either means that either on the 4 hours is giving a long this criteria, this or on the 1 hour is giving a buy. So each one of them, so what you will do is you pick one that you want to trade, because you are not going to trade 10 coins at the same time. So if I want to pick pixel, for example, now I want to pick pixel, let's say I want to trade pixel. What I will do, I will come here, I will go to my Mexi. So we are picking pixel, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I will select here and I'll search for pixel. I'll search for pixel. This is pixel. All right, so we want two things. Two things. We want a clear picture, all right, a clear screenshot of the 1 hour time frame for pixel and the 4 hours time frame. So I'm going to take the 1 hour time frame. I've taken the screenshot. I will now go over to the 4 hours and I will ensure that it is visible. All right, I will now take this the screenshot. So I've taken the 4 hours screenshot and the 1 hour screenshot. So what I will do next is to go back to the AI. So I'll go to this AI now. Why am I going back to AI? Because if you look at it, can say up next, upload 4 hour screenshot, all right, for it to identify the trend plus liquidity. Then 1 hour screenshot for it to get you the entry and your TP for the pair. So now I have selected what pair? I selected what? Pixel. So what I'll do now, I'll go to this plus icon and I will upload from the local. Oh, sorry, let me upload from, I will click on upload from album. All right, so I'll just select this, and I'll say done. Now it will start uploading. Depending on your internet speed, it will start uploading. All right, so now sometimes it will show you that it will tell you that it did not upload. All right, so don't panic. Sometimes if you do that, click on that place to retry. Sometimes you have to try like more than 2 times before it will agree to upload. You can see it have uploaded the first one, so I will tap on the second one and it have uploaded the second one also. So it have uploaded this. So what I'll just come here now, I'll just say this is the screenshot. This is the screenshot for pixel USDT pair. All right, so I'll just put that and I'll send it. So what it will do now is that it will go through these screenshots, it will look at it, and from the screenshot, it is now going to give me the entry, the exits. It will tell me what it sees on the background and it is going to analyze it. And from the analysis, it will now generate what? My entry, my exit, my stop loss, my TP, everything for me. All right. So let's take a look at it from what it is giving us. All right, so now from here now it shows me that, all right, action ready to hit. All right, it said buy slash long. Are you guys seeing it? So it said we should buy. Hello, are you guys there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very well,
So
sir.
you can see right now it shows me, tells me that I should buy, all right, at market price now. And if we come here, it will tell us this is the reward, risk to reward ratio. So the minimum order we can use is $2. All right, so this is going to be our entry price here. All right, this is our entry price, this is our take profit, and this is our stop loss. All right, this is our stop loss here. This one here, not this one here, this one here is our stop loss, this one is our take profit. So you go in there, if you take this trade, you put your take profit, put your stop loss. How do you enter this trade? So let's, since we are working with this, although I'm not going to take the trade, but let me just show you how you will do it. So what you will do, you click on long. All right, it will come here. Now because you are going to be entering both your take profit and your stop loss, so we are going to be using a limit order, or you can use a limit order. So we'll click here, we'll leave it at limit. So you set the price let's say at this current price, you will now come here where it says TP and XL. You select on TP and XL. So it will bring out your TP and XL. Here's where you're going to put the TP it gave you, and here's where you're going to put the XL it gives you. Once everything is set, just click on buy or sell depending on what it gives to you. All right. Now, when it comes to this advanced research, all right, this particular Kimi is good, but I also like to use either ChatGPT or Quen for. In fact, ChatGPT, Quen, and what's it called, DeepSeek, they are all good. So because our time is fast spent, so I'm just going to end this call now. So please, you can copy the link that I just posted here now. I don't think I will be dropping the link on the groups, but I will still drop the link on the group. So please copy this link so that you can join, uh, so we can continue. Okay. So this is the link for the new class. So please copy the link and join. So we just have 3 more minutes. Let me use that time to share this to the other groups. Are you guys getting value from this? Hello, can you guys hear me? All right, good, good, good.
Yes, we can hear you.
All right,
Getting
so
value.
I just posted the new link on some of our groups. So let me add it to the other groups. All right. All right, guys. So I'm going to go off now so that I can accept you guys on the other one. All right. While others join, let me just take a glass cup of water. I'll be with you guys shortly.
Good evening, everyone. Happy New Month.
Evening, happy new month.
Good
I
evening, Mau. Happy New Month.
I wish you the best. Hope you're good.
Oh, you're having conversation with them. All right. Okay, that is my wife.
Wow, good evening, man.
Good evening, sir.
All right. All right. So I believe many of us have joined. So thank you all for still sticking around. Let's get to the bottom of this. Okay. So I will share my screen now so that we can continue.
So please, what's the third AI you called after Kimi and the ChatGPT?
Don't worry. I will show you guys. I will show you. Don't worry. I'll show you guys. Now, all right. So the first, this is Kimi. This is ChatGPT here. This is DeepSeek. This is DeepSeek. This is Quan AI. So let me show you guys. If you go to, if you want to get them, if you come here and you can come to this place. So if you want to get the Quan AI, just QWEN. All right, Quan 3, you will see it. This is Quan AI. All right, so you installed it. This is the Quan AI. Then for DeepSeek, if you come here, you just search for DeepSeek. You just DeepSeek. This is DeepSeek. All right. So this is DeepSeek. You can say I've installed it. Then of course we have the Kimi and we have the what's it called, ChatGPT. All right. So these are the AIs that I use. Now, my most favorite when it comes to doing airdrop research is Kimi. Now, but when it comes to this technical analysis, all right, all of them performs well. All of them performs well. Now, let me just show you guys, for example, if okay, let me show you guys how to do it. Like, if you see, if you come to one of the reason I like Kimi is that you don't need to even configure it for it. Just paste the prompt there and it will find the tokens for you. Now, I have issues. I have run into issues trying to, like, if I'm trying to upload image screenshot on DeepSeek, DeepSeek gives me problem when it asks me to upload. DeepSeek and ChatGPT, they give me problem when they say I should upload screenshot. But you see, this Kimi and Quan AI, both of them, they will accept your screenshot almost instant. So let me show you guys again. If I come to this place now and let's say I paste that here. Okay, this is this thing. So let me get the prompt again. I take the prompt here and I paste it here. Once I paste it here, all right, and I click on go. Now, one thing you must do is, you see, one mistake people make, or one mistake I made when I started using this is that I will go and put it on thinking and research. Don't put it on thinking. If you put it on thinking, it will just mess up the whole thing. It won't give you what you need. So just paste and go. All right, just paste and go. What's going on? I think there's a problem here. Let me open it again. I think it didn't load. It didn't load well then. So I'll just paste it again and go. Okay, what is going on? Okay, I think it's now that it is coming to its sense. All right, so as the first time it was not loading very well. So you can see it will start reasoning and start looking for. So you can see like this one now, it just lists out some of the coins that for long setup. So these are coins it listed out for me for long set. So it listed out Wi-Fi, Pepe, uh, Meme, Gala, Alice. Uh, this is Axie Infinity. All right. So for me, I don't like to trade meme coin. That is just the truth. I don't like to trade meme coin. So whenever it gives me this kind of uh like as a brother this six now, what I'll just pick, I can decide to pick either this Axie Infinity, Alice, or Gala. I just don't know why I don't like trading meme coin. And the reason I don't like trading meme coin is because whenever the market, like if Bitcoin is dropping, you understand, meme coin they drop very fast. All right, so this is just for you to more of like avoid liquidation. All right, do you understand it? So that is the reason I
Yes,
don't
sir.
most at times like to trade. If even though like as Shiba Inu, I know Shiba Inu is a very big meme coin, or Dogecoin is a very big meme coin. But if you see Bitcoin drop by 1%, SHIB will drop like 7%. Doge will drop like 7%. The same way, if Bitcoin increase by 1%, you will see Doge will increase by maybe 8%. So it is these ones, they are more volatile for me. So I kind of like tend to sometimes I can trade them. All right. So it's just depend on what you want. And the truth is, when you want to trade here now, you need to also know the sentiment of the market. You need to know the sentiment of the market. And how do you know the sentiment of the market? You can just go to what's it called? You can look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is dropping in value, you understand? If Bitcoin is dropping in value, there is no need for you to go and look for any coin and be longing it and be entering buy when you see Bitcoin is dropping, because you know that Bitcoin will definitely drag all of them down. Is it not?
Yes.
Good. So you don't go looking for another setup when you know that Bitcoin, which is their oga, is going down. You now want to come and go and you want to know. So if the market condition, general market condition is bearish, you only consider the bear, the short positions it will give. And you don't need to trade all of them, just pick one. For example, if I want to trade cars now, this KS, I'll just go to I'll come over here. I'll go, let's say I want to trade KS. I'll go to this place. I'll go here and I'll search for KS. I'll search for KS, KAS USDT, KAS. All right, I'll search for KX. And the next thing I'll do, I'll take the screenshots because you need a screenshot for it to give you the correct analysis. So this is my 4 hour screenshot. I will take the 4 hour screenshot. Then I'll switch to 1 hour. I'll switch to 1 hour and I'll take the 1 hour screenshot. Then I'll go to the AI. I'll go to the AI, and what I'll now do is to upload this on the AI. So I'll click here now and I'll go to here where I say plus. I'll click on the plus. I'll select upload file or upload image. Then I'll select the image, this and this. So like this particular platform, they upload image very fast, so you won't have issue in terms of image not uploading. All right, so you upload this one too. So once two of them have uploaded, I'll just come here and I'll type uh this is for cast USDT pair, and you just give it to search. It will go through it It will go through it and then it will tell you what to do. Do you understand? It will analyze it right now, and after analyzing it, it will give us what its own trade alignment and everything, and tell you what to do. All right. From there, it will not tell you whether you should take a long position or take a short position. Someone have a question? All right, somebody.
Yes, sir. Sir, can this be applied on sports?
You know, if you're taking a spot trade, there is no need. Spot trade is just buy and sell now. You understand? So you can't do short position on spot, because spot, whenever you are trading spot, you are more of like you are looking to get in at a cheaper price and then exit the market at a higher price. Do you understand? So spot is not like futures. You
Yes,
can you can practice this on spot. Do you understand this?
yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Michael, you want to ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was about to answer him too.
Okay. So you
Because
can,
it will be of no use.
yes, it will be of no use doing this on spot, because of course everybody that wants to enter trade on spot, you are looking to buy cheap and sell high. But the reason this is important and good and suitable for futures is because on futures you can take advantage of whether the market is going down or the market is going up. Do you understand? You can take advantage of any of this. All right, Mr. Abdullah, you want to Abdulaziz, you want to ask question? Mr. Abdulaziz, you raise
Yes,
your
sir.
hand.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Go ahead. I can hear you.
Good evening. So I was just in the class earlier, so I want to know the size of the AI that we can post the picture or the screenshot,
No
please.
problem. No problem. I'm going to repeat that again. All right. So we are using Kimi. All right. AI. We are using Kimi AI. We are using Gwen 3 AI, and we are using ChatGPT. These are the three AI we use. All right. So these are the ones. In fact, any one of them, if you are using Kimi will give you a very good result. If you are using Gwen 3 AI, they will give you a very good result, because these two AI, they will not give you issue in terms of you uploading documents. Now let me just show you guys an example what I'm trying to say. Let's go to you can see it have given us the listen. So it said the trend alignment bearish on 1 hour and 4 hours. Volume, yes. Everything, liquidity, yes. So because of all the setup here now, it will now give us our trade. The peak we are targeting is 105 pip, and the SL is 107 pips. All right, so it's we give you all the breakdown and tell you this is your entry, this should be your take profit, this should be your stop loss, and to give your risk to reward, and that is it. All you just need to do, just come here, copy, enter, copy, enter, copy, enter. Just giving you guys this now, it's just like we are just cancelled everything called signal group in crypto. We just cancelled signal group, because everything that this thing is giving for free here is what signal group provide for you. Do you understand?
And even create our own signal, start charge.
Yeah, you can create your own signal group and start charging. That is the business mindset there. You understand? You can create, it's not just me that can be a teacher. You can learn from me. I have students who have learned from me, gone ahead to create their own community, and they are doing well. You can get this can be the foundation knowledge you acquire. From this, take it and go ahead and expand with it. Do you understand? Just know how to do this.
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello.
I can hear you.
Please, this is the first time I'm hearing it, and as you are giving all the illustration, I'm really very impressed with it. Can it be used for gold trading,
Of
as in
course,
forex trading, as in
of course, it
wow?
can be used. Okay, let's take for example. Oh, I deleted my reason is not here. What's it called? My I removed my this thing, my MetaTrader. You know, my daughter, she will be playing with my phone, and sometimes she will mistakenly go and enter trade. Nah, this is well, it's not easy.
Yeah,
It's not easy to be a father. Oh. I just want to check
it's
it.
not easy. Parenting is not easy.
Mothers now they try you. You know they easy.
She thought it was maybe to a game now.
It's not easy. So what I was saying,
And if you collect the phone from her, it's a problem.
my brother, let me not even say, as you can see quietness in my house now is because she's asleep. If she wake up now, the first person she will look for is me. And as she's coming to me, everything around me she's scattering. She will wear my clothes. She's wearing her clothes. She'll be wearing my clothes on top of her.
Uh,
Children, is where it's the beauty of it. You understand? It just sometimes you'll be looking at sometimes I'll be looking at myself like, hey, so like 3 years ago, this person was inside of me, and look at the way she's destroying everywhere. But that is the game. Is the beauty of life. You understand? So it works. Do you understand? It works. It can give you in-depth analysis about
okay.
forex trading. It can analyze the trend. You can take a screenshot of the trend, give it to the
Even derivative trading.
it's see it can give you, as long as the chart is clear and you send it to it, I tell that please give me an analysis of what to do. You understand? I'm about to take this trade, but I'm a bit confused. You understand? What do you think? It will give you its own opinion. That is how advanced AI has come. But the thing you should know is this: it's not all the time that it is correct. Oh. That's why you need to have the fundamental knowledge, and that is why we are doing this. Do you understand? Because
Knowledge.
sometimes they will give you, you now, like for
Okay.
example, it depends. Everything you are doing depends on the kind of a trader you are. Now, this particular trade, it is viewing it from the angle of 4 hours for it to know the trend. 1 hour for it to find entry and exit on 1 hour. So my particular trade now is on 1 hour. So if you are this kind of a person that want to take trade and close it in 5 minutes, if you are feeding it with 1 hour data, it will give you the wrong signal. I don't know if you understand, because
Hmm.
you can't use 1 hour trade
Yes,
now
yes.
to trade 5 minutes trade. It won't work. It will blow your account. So if you want to be a trader, forex trading, you need to acquire the right forex trading knowledge so that you will know what to do. Don't depend on AI. AI will just send you to your village. Oh. This is something that you can use to augment what you already know. All right. So that is just that. I believe that
Okay.
this is not difficult for us to be able to use. So as usual,
No, no,
I
no.
am going to be uploading the recording. All right, I'm going to be uploading the recording, and I'm going to add it to our already the first documents. All right, the first ones we have. So I'm going to add this as a new training, and I'm also going to add the prompt that you guys are going to use. All right, for this. Now, so it will go in depth. Now, I prefer I wanted to show you guys something. Now, I want to show you guys something. Let's go to why let me tell you why I said I don't like DeepSeek. This is DeepSeek, all right? So if I try to upload picture. Now let's say I want to upload picture. All right, I select this picture and I upload. DeepSeek, for reasons best known to it, doesn't upload pictures. I don't know why. I don't know why. I will be having issues with it sometimes. You can see it won't find it. All right. So I believe that the DeepSeek, their own uh, engine is not that advanced to detect this. So that's why you can use it to do your research. Do you understand? You can use it to do research, but I prefer just use this Gwen, I mean this Gwen 3 and this Kimi. Two of them accept this one and this one. All right. That is Kimi and Gwen 3. Two of them will accept your images, they will process it, they will do it, and it is 100% free. Now, that of ChatGPT will also accept this, but ChatGPT, it will get to a point, it will tell that you have elapsed your free quota. All right. And this time in Nigeria is not a time you should be subscribing for monthly subscription on AI. So go ahead and use Kimi and Gwen 3 and do what you want to do. Is that clear, guys?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
clear? All right. So,
I have a question. Uh,
all right, go ahead.
Okay, my question is that, for instance, I want to do analysis on a particular coin. Can I still use the same prompt?
You can,
Like I did the chart analysis manually. Maybe I can just use the AI to. Can I use say the same prompt to just maybe like confirmation entry
no,
or just to
you can't use the same prompt. You can't use the same prompt. All right, what I will do
go?
for you guys is that I will
go-
develop more prompts that will be specific to one particular token. Like if you want to do an in-depth analysis of that particular token before you go ahead and trade. And I also develop a
Okay.
prompt for forex traders if you want to use it to also do analysis of your chart before you enter into trade. So I'm going to
So
go
I
ahead.
would really love it if you can do for forex trader.
Yes, I will do the two. I will do the two, and I will get back to you guys.
All right.
All right. So just
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
you're welcome. So earlier in the training, I told you guys that I have a gift for you guys. All right, and I want us to listen to this voice note. I don't know, is the user, is the Telegram user D Water in this particular training? A Telegram user, his name is D Water. Are you in this live training?
Yes, sir. I'm live. Mm.
Okay, okay, that's good. So
Hello.
so
Yes.
that is Mr. Moses Abi.
Moses Ali. Mm.
All right, good. So, and Mr. Moses Ali is from Kaduna State. He's living in Kaduna. So he sent me a message. All right. Or Mr. Moses, go ahead and share your message with the house so that I'll throw my this in what's it called, my own response, because messaged me he messaged me and he was pleading. So I told him that, well, this is better, come to the live class, then uh throw it out there, and then I'll tell you guys what will be my decision. So Mr. Moses, over to you. Mr. Moses,
Hello. Good evening, everyone.
good evening. We can hear
Hello.
you.
Can you
Good
hear me?
evening, sir.
Good evening,
Yes, we
bro.
can
Good
hear
Mm.
you.
evening.
Yes. Uh, the message of Henry was the special group for the altcoin season. That's the group where he said he was going to be sending some of the coins that most likely will do well during this bull run, and it was going to cost $50 if you want to participate. So I
$50.
just chatted him up, and I said, yes. So he said what I said actually really somebody like me be very interested in joining that group, but looking at the financial condition, it will be a bit difficult. So I brought out a suggestion. I said, so that is the power of having a group and a community like this. At least those that attend this kind of training, we can come together as a pool. If something you cannot afford 50, when we come together, for instance, now we're like 35 in the group call today. So we can come together as a pool and say, okay,
All right, I think his mic.
please be a part of this so that it becomes difficult for them. It becomes easy for the people. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, I can
Yeah,
hear
so
you,
that's
but
just the suggestion I brought. He said, okay, we'll bring it to the group today. So that is what I want us to deliberate. If it's something that is good and he will accept, we can do that. So we'll be part of this. Because I discovered that after this bull run, most of these great opportunities won't be available on this uh, uh, Bitcoin stuff again. So it's something that we shouldn't miss this time around. So that is just the suggestion I made.
All right. So the reason I wanted him to speak
Thank you.
is so that yeah, the reason I wanted him to speak is for transparency's sake. So I'm going to, because I know his mic was his mic was breaking. All right. So the group we are talking about is the altcoin season group that I created. So that group is where this is the group. All right, this is the group chat for the group, and this is the group here. All right, so there are people already in there. Now, when he chatted me up, this was the water. Let me see. So yeah, this is, so you can see, let it load. So when he chatted me up, he was like, boss, that please, can we get form a pool where the members will just like, I will just put the amount I want, like maybe if I want them to contribute $50 or $500, then once they contribute the $500, then those that contributed will now join this thing so that they will also be part of it. And I told myself, well, for me, it's not a problem. But the thing there is, I was thinking about it, I was like, you know, I already have people that are already on that group that have paid that $50 because the $50 for what this group is worth to me, in all honesty, even $100 is me giving it out for free. But for the fact that I know every time we are running these trainings, you guys are sacrificing your data and your time, you understand, you should be able to get 50% discount. And that's why it's okay. For those that always attend this training, you can get in at $50, which is 50% of what's normal. And if you watch, you will see that I have not really posted anything about that group on the main group there because honestly, I just want selected few to be there. That is just the truth. I don't want too much crowd. I don't want too much crowd. Now, what I am going to do is a bit different from what he asks. I am going to do something and I'm going to do it for one purpose. Now, something is going to be happening tomorrow. And I think if there's anybody in this place that can predict what is going to happen tomorrow, it will be one person, and that will be Madam Nike. All right. So tomorrow is my daughter's second birthday. Tomorrow is her birthday. So what I'm going to do what I'm going to do is I am going to plead with those people who have already joined the group that joined with $50. Please, it is only going to last for 24 hours. So from the 24 hours is going to start from now till the 3rd. Oh, thank you very much. It's going to start from now till the 3rd of September. I am going to reduce the price to $20. And that $20, I am going to reduce it for $20. And see, oh, the $20 is going to be the first 10 people that get to pay, not the first 10 people that message me. Oh, the first 10 people that will message, you receive details and you make your transfer. That is, you enter. Once, even if you are the first person to chat me up now and get the informations, and before maybe you make your transfer to join, if other people have taken the spot, I will close it because it will be injustice for those people that have paid $50 already. Now, so what I'm going to do is going to be for 24 hours. So it will end by this 3rd of this month. And that is for my daughter's birthday. Now, there is something that I wanted to. Her birthday is tomorrow. Madam, her birthday is tomorrow. I say it's ending this. My wife is saying the birthday is not all though. So the birthday is tomorrow, which is 2nd. Now, there is something I want to show you guys. And this thing is one of the softwares that I have wanted to buy. And the reason I'm putting this at this price, which the 10 people is going to give us $200, is not much for me. And I'm going to tell you what I am going to use it for. So what you guys are going to be doing is you are practically getting it for free. All right, you are practically getting it for free because you are going to be getting this software, and this software is worth $200. You are going to see when I'm going to buy it and send it to those in this group. All right, so this is the software. Now, this is the software here. I just took a screenshot. This is one of the students. I know this screenshot is not clear. All right, so one of the students here is using this software to trade, and he's using this software to grow his account from $100 to $50,000. And as of the last time I checked, I've been following his I've been following his strategy. I've been following him, and if you check the capital here, you will see that his initial capital is now at $209. He started with $100. He has grown. This is more than 100%, and this is not even up to 10 days he started this trading challenge using the software. I have contacted the person. I am not the creator of this. I've contacted the person. This is the software here. This is the software. All right. This is the software. This is the software. All right. So this is the software. Now, what this software helps you to do, it helps you to manage your trade. It helps you to take away anxiety and helps you to plan your trade. All right. So I will be getting this software with this money. For each individual to get it is $200. For you to get it is $200. So if you want to get it alone, you can send me message. I will give you their direct website where you will go, pay, and get it. Over close to 2,000 people. In fact, close to 2,000 people are using this software. Do you understand? Is battle tested, is good. So I'll be getting this with whatever we realize from this is just going to be a birthday gift for ourselves. we're just going to get this software, and then I will distribute it to all those that are in the premium on that group. And then after that, I'll be doing a 30 days trading demo on it, so that I will just trade it for like 30 days and see how good it is, and then develop a very good strategy we are going to use for it going forward. Is that clear, guys? So that is
So
Very
it,
clear.
and it's
thank
only
you very
going
much,
to
sir.
last for, as I said, 24 hours. So starting from now, and it will end on the 3rd of September. It will end on the 3rd of September, please, so that you don't come and tell me say you forgot. You remember that 24 hours video that I did, that I was going to give all the video out. Some people are still sending message today, that they are just seeing the message. I will still forward to them, but that is not going to be the same with this particular one, because it's going to be unfair to those who have paid that $50. So I'm just going to do this for as a birthday gift to members. Now, lastly, uh, last will I say the last thing I just want to discuss here now is this. It's quite unfortunate, but one of our members just brought this to my attention, and I just want to do. Please, just can you guys give me a minute? My stomach just I'm not feeling too good. Just give me a minute, please. All right.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, please
Good
can
evening. Good evening.
yeah, can someone please quickly recap what he said? I was locked out, so I didn't get the part of the birthday gift.
Just simply that is giving a birthday gift to people that want to join the inner class of 10-year coin, the coin that for Buron, instead of
Okay.
$50, you want, because of the birthday gift that will last 24 hours. He will give it at a price of $20 only for 24 hours. But that 24 hours is say from now till 3rd of September for people
Okay.
that are interested, because many people have been pleading with him to give them discounts. So that's what he said.
Okay.
But it's only for 24 hours, $20.
Oh, okay. Then what about the software?
It's part of the thing. He said so that the people that are already in the group will not feel bad because they paid $50. The $20, if it goes the first 10 people, you use that money to purchase the software, and which is still going to distribute to the people that are in that group. That software will help you in your trading, and I think help you to make progress in technical analysis and trading.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So that's what the software is for, right?
Yes, in a way,
Okay.
the software will help you in your futures trading. So the software, he said, the sales is, I think is being sold for $200, and he has seen somebody that is using it and is making a good progress. So he wants
Oh,
to use, if he gets the first 10 people that pays 200, he use it to buy that software. He will work with it, check it. Then all the member in that inner group, he will give it to them.
all right. All right. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. So I'm so sorry. I just had a stomach upset. I don't know what I ate, so but it's well. Okay, can you guys see my screen? So this last one that I'm going to show you guys is quite heartbreaking, but I'm not surprised that something of such happened. I'm not surprised. And thank God that I did not encourage our community to go any further. I made my thought very clear on this project, and unfortunately this happened, and someone, in fact one of our member brought it to my attention, and unfortunately she lost over $200 to that. So I'm not talking of any other projects apart from quantum. This is quantum projects. Can you guys see my screen?
No, sir.
Yes.
We are seeing your screen.
All right, so if you look at this, you can see couple of hours ago quantum rock pulled on their community. This is them, the team, removing liquidity from the liquidity pool. If you take a count from here all the way down to this point, that is close to $4 million worth of liquidity that they scammed from the people. Now, you see, the challenge, if you look at when I talked about this project, I told you guys I was going to do my research and know if we are to invest when they brought out the buy stake and this. And I look at it, I said, I did the mathematics because they were giving us, can you hear me? If you, let's say, they were giving 1% per day. No, I think less than 1% per day, because in a week you earn 6% of whatever amount you stake. Are you guys seeing me? Are you guys hearing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very well.
So you earn 6% per every day based on what you invest. So if you invested $1,000 worth in their coin, every week you will get 6%. So I looked at it, I said, on an average, in a month, you are getting 30% of your initial money, which is your $1,000. It's just like you carry your $1,000, go and put somewhere, buy their token, put somewhere. And instead of them giving you back, they're not giving you back your $1,000 in chunks every week. I looked at it, I said, no, I'm not going to risk $1,000 of my money into this. And that was why I told you, I said, I don't think I'll be doing this. And rightly so, the coin started skyrocketing. And I asked another question, what is truly pushing the price upwards? Do you understand? It was the team. It's like today, the team have already programmed it that every day the value will increase by 0 point something percent. In a week, it should maybe increase by 30%. Because the more it increases, the more money you have to spend to buy out a large holding. And it now means the more of your money that will be at stake. So it's more like a well organized pyramid scheme, because imagine if you give me your $1,000 and every week I am giving you 6% of your $1,000. Any other person that puts money in there, because when you put your money in there, I'm holding your $1,000 every week. I'm giving you bit of that money. You understand? All in the name that is going to be unlocking this one for you, which the one you already. So all those things made me, that's why I said, Kai, no, I'm not going to recommend that we should do it as a community. And just yesterday they rock pulled on their community and everybody lost their money. Over $4 million lost. And this project just lasted, they enabled the trading just 3 months ago. And in That's why I tell you, I said if I choose to go rogue in this crypto industry, I am telling you, in 12 months, if I'm not worth more than $30 million, it means that I don't know what I'm doing. But sometimes, for the sake of what you know or the God you serve, you will decide
And God.
to you will decide to hold. It will take me nothing. If I bring out $10,000 right now, I will use $1,000 to create an app replica of something like this. If I use $9,000 and I pay influencers 500, where I gather 10 influencers, pay them $500 to do at least 2 recordings and promote on their platforms, I will get more than 500,000 people that will come into that project. And you know that what you are building is fake. People will, out of that 500 people, or even less than 100,000 people that join, at least, even if your conversion rate is 1%, 1,000 people will make deposit. And that 1,000 people that have made deposit, you are running away with their money. You understand? That is why you see people that don't seem to have the fear of God, they seem to make more money in this industry because they are willing to do anything by crook or by hook to make it. Do you understand? So I sincerely apologize. I don't know if any one of you here participated in that. If you did, I'm sorry, your money has gone. Oh. Your money has gone. And there is no court that you can sue them to. No court will even listen to you. So please take heart. So guys, as I said, this is I will be getting this bot, all right. I love the bot. I'll be getting the bot for myself, but I think it's better every profit we make, any money that you guys contribute to join, the first 10 people, as I said, all right, you will be joining. Those that are already on that group will be getting this bot, all right, and you guys also. And I think there's another bot. There is a bot. I saw one guy. The guy used the bot to grow his account from $10 to this thing to $1,000 in about 50 days, and he documented it. I like the bot. I've chatted him up also, and he told me that he can get me he will give me the bot, provided, of course, we have to pay. So that one I will be getting that bot also, which is about 2 bots, which I'll be dropping for those that are on that group. Now, please, oh, if you don't want to join the group and you want to get the bots, if I by the time we get this bot from the man, the person that coded it, I'm going to reverse re-engineer it so that I can be able to distribute it to all of them. If you need it, it will be at $100. I will not give it to you less than. In fact, I might not even attend to you. Go direct to the person and buy it at $200. Okay, so that is just it. All right. So guys, let's take questions. Let's take questions. This is only going to last for. It's only going to last for this till 3rd of this month, and that is to celebrate my daughter's birthday. After that, that is all. Okay. So, do you have any question? Do you guys understand the training for today?
Yes, sir.
Do
Yes,
anyone
sir.
have any question?
Please.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Yes, I have a question. Oh, please. Are we getting the video to this thing because
Hey, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
so I couldn't grab her.
I can't hear you. The mic is breaking. I can't hear you. Maybe you can try typing it in
Okay.
the comment section so I can read it. I can't hear you.
I tried doing the training. I couldn't get it well because the network is very bad in my area. So, are we getting the video training today?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm recording it. I'm recording the training. but I might not drop it immediately. So after the training, I will compress it and then upload it. Okay. For those that
All
are
right. Thank you, sir.
interested, all right, please, guys, listen again. For those that are interested for that particular training, all right, that want to join the group at this discounted price, all you need to send to me is the code is going to be birthday gift. Birthday gift. It's going to be birthday gift. All right. So it's going to be birthday gifts. That is what you send as the code. Code is going to be birthday gift. I'll say it again. The code is birthday gift. All right, guys. So, Mr. Victor, I think I am recording your screen. So I will give you, I will end the recording once I am done with this training. All right. Any
All
other
right. Thank
question?
you, sir.
All right, you're welcome. Any other question, guys? Any other question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, please, I want to ask a question, but my question is something somehow different. I don't know if I can ask the question, sir. I want to get your own view from your own perspective and your own understanding.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, so, sir, I am actually a Python programmer. So I'm thinking going into, as in a career, going into programming of bots like automation,
Yeah.
trading automation. So I don't know, is it something someone can easily get a job? Because I'm looking at the job aspect of it, apart from being able to create a bot. Is it possible for someone to get job like all this prof or something like that? I don't know if you have idea
Well,
about.
Prof firm might not, you might not be able to get it because is a closely knitted organization. You understand? Because of their kind of operation. But as a Python programmer, you can get work, because it's just like even majority of the works that programmers do now, AI have taken it already. But at least
Yeah.
you can you can build a trading robot. Yeah, so if you can program a trading robot and you have a good marketing skill, you can market it and then it will fetch you money. But you can also apply for works. You can apply for let's say online job, like you can apply for a remote job in UX from Nigeria here where you work from Nigeria there. So there are several opportunities that are opened. You understand?
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Okay, sir. All right, thank you, sir.
All right. So guys, don't forget the code for today is birthday gift for those that want to get the that want to join the group at $20 that will only last for 24 hours. But if you want to get the recording, just send me a message that you want to get the recording for today. And also within, I think by next week, I am going to be doing our meme coin trading. All right, meme coin trading, the second part. I'm going to be doing the meme coin trading for the second part, and this second part is I've discovered so many other new stuff. I discovered so many other new stuff which you guys are going to get access to. All right. So new stuff you guys are going to learn, which is very great. All right. So please let me know. Those of you, as I said, I'm
I
going to
wanted to
be.
ask a question.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Please, I thank you for this training that is beginning with us all for this one. My question is, please don't forget the prompt you want to add about forex trading, especially gold trading. Please, sir, you say you are going to
Like
add
I
it to
said,
the.
I'm not going to forget. Okay. I
All
won't
right, sir.
forget.
All
I
right,
will
sir.
add those. I will
All
add
right.
those. Don't worry. I won't forget.
All right.
Even
And the Kimi, how do we get it? Are we going to search on it or the Google Play?
yeah, they are there. Once I send you the document, open the
Okay.
document, everything is going to be there. Everything is going to be there.
Okay.
You understand? The document is
Okay,
very
sir. Okay,
detailed.
sir.
Everything is going to be there. Okay, Mr. Kazim,
Hello.
Yes.
let's hear
Hello.
from you. Mr. Kazim, can I go ahead?
You've answered my question. I'm the one that asked question just now
Okay,
about
okay,
the
okay. Have
This,
those Votex people released your money?
my God, they are here to fund me, but they have not closed the account.
Okay, okay.
They've not closed the account yet.
All right. Still send them
But they didn't
message.
release my phone.
Still keep disturbing them because they can't
I
just
am intending to do
put
that
terms
this
and
week.
conditions to steal your
I'm
money.
intending to do that this week.
Mm. All right,
hello.
Mr. Tega, go ahead.
That
Hello.
money is much. All
Okay.
right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, I just came in there from church, and I was doing one or two things because my wife was not around. I was with the children. So it was then, and I remembered, hey, I missed your class. So
Yes.
I, I just
Ah,
rushed to
I
that, and I discovered that I
you
was not
so
enough.
All right.
you
What I'm
guys
going
are
to
how
do,
to do the family.
Mr. Tega, all right, just I understand, okay? What I'm going to do, as I said, the training is being recorded. So after this training now, I'm going to compress it and everything. I'm going to
Okay.
provide them and put them in a document. Then you can just send me a message for like you need the recording for today, and I will
Okay.
send it to you.
Okay.
But that is going to be
That
for
would be good.
tomorrow. So you guys know that tomorrow is a big day for my daughter. So let's say between now and the third, so I should be able to
Okay.
get the trainings across to you guys. Okay.
It's all right. That would be great. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. You're welcome. So for those that, as I said, that discount is only going to last for 24 hours, which is from tomorrow till on the third, and that is gone. That is gone forever. Those people, and I think as this one is also ending, the $50 paying $50 on will also end. So that anybody that is interested that want to move his or her life really in this bull run and want to come can get in. If you don't want, there is different group or there are different. I've been seeing people that are saying, oh, they have this. You can go ahead, try them, join them. Some are charging $100, some are charging 500, 1,000. So whichever way, but one thing I will advise you, whichever way that you will get the right information that will profit you in this bull run, do it. Because all of us, we have suffered. We suffered this bear market. I have seen bear market. This is the worst I have passed through. Personally, this is the worst bear market I have experienced. And that is why I'm not joking with any opportunity that will give me an edge. That's why I'm not joking with any opportunity that will give me an edge. All right. So those that are interested, you let me know. And that opportunity end, as I said, we end on the third of this thing. So that is just it. Then what else? What else? As I said, this weekend I will also be repeating the um meme coin trading. So I will pass the information very soon. So I want to thank you all for joining. We just have less than a minute. Thank you guys for joining this training today. If you have any question, you can private chat me. All right. If you want to join the group at $20 today and tomorrow, private chat me also. And at that, God bless you guys. Have a
That group,
wonderful night.
that group is for what? For the maker, the potentials maker. That
For
$20.
the bull run coins, yes. For the bull run coins, for the next
Okay.
24 hours is $20. For the next 24 hours, $20. So those
24
interested,
hours. That ultimator is high, boss.
well, that is up
That
to you
ultimator.
now. For the next 24 hours,
Was it the one that was $50 before?
yes.
That you that